Hi there, this tutorial will show you how to create a new blog post in Shopify. Every Shopify store comes with a built-in blogging feature that allows you to create and share blog posts with your shoppers and audience. It's an easy-to-use feature that we always recommend using, as blogging can help improve your website's search engine optimization, or also known as SEO. So today we'll go over how to set up and publish a blog post using Shopify. Let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, go to Online Store, then select Blog Posts. Click on Add Blog Post to start prepping your latest blog post. Here you will see all the different fields available. Let's start from top to bottom. In the title field, you will enter the blog post name. Next up is adding your blog post content. In the content text box, you will enter the full post. You can write out the post here, or you can copy and paste your content into this text box. If you are pasting your content from someplace else, don't forget to click on the clear formatting icon in the toolbar. This is a circular icon with a line through it. This will remove any additional HTML or styling that doesn't need to be here. You can then use the editor toolbar here to format your content the right way. To add any formatting, just highlight the text you want to format and then select the option. For example, to change a line of text into a header, click on the letter A icon and then select the heading option you want to use. I would suggest using H2 for main headers within the content and then H3 for anything that is a subheader. Spacing sometimes gets a little weird, so make sure to add or remove extra spacing so that your content is formatted nicely and has an easy to read layout. Next, let's set up a bullet point list. Highlight the content you want to set up in a list format and select the bulleted list icon. To add links to your blog post, highlight the word or words you want to link and then select the insert link icon. Within the link to field, enter the full URL here. For the Open this link in dropdown, we suggest selecting a new window so the link opens in a new window and doesn't take the reader away from the current blog post they are reading. Don't forget to add a link title. Use a simple phrase that describes the link, then select Insert Link. You also have the option of uploading photos into your blog post. To do this, click where you want the photo to go. Make sure to hit enter so that the photo is in its own line. Click on the Insert Image icon and select Upload File. Select your photo. In the Image Alt Text field, add a description of the image. For the size dropdown, if you resize your images, then you can select Original. We usually recommend resizing images to no more than 1200 pixels in width. If it's larger than this, then select 1024 by 1024 so that it doesn't load an image file that is too big, which can slow down your site's loading time. Don't forget to align your image. Click on the image within the content area and click on the photo icon. In the alignment section, select the center icon and click Edit Image. Feel free to upload additional photos to your blog post if you would like. Once you are done editing your blog post, you can move down to the excerpt section. This part is optional. If you want to include a short summary of the blog post, you can enter it here. This will then be displayed as the excerpt within the main blog page or the home page. Simply click on Add Excerpt and enter it here. Next up is a search engine listing preview. Within this section, you want to make edits to how your blog post will appear when someone finds it via Google or any other search engine. This is also optional, but highly suggest taking advantage of this feature to help with your blog post SEO. Select Edit Website SEO. Here you will see the default page title, description, and URL handle. Feel free to make edits that include the blog post keywords and key phrases. In the second column, we are now selecting our featured image. The featured image will be the main image that is displayed on your main blog page or homepage. This image doesn't have to be within the blog post. You can think of it as a thumbnail for your post. We always suggest cropping your featured images in the same size and dimensions to keep a clean and consistent layout for your latest blog post in the blog grid. When you have your image ready, drag and drop it into this box. If you want to add an image alt text for the featured image, select the update link here and add it within the image alt text field. In the organization field, you will see the author and blog fields. Usually this doesn't have to be edited. If you need to change the author, just click on the field and select the post author. Keep in mind the only names that would appear here are people who are set as staff on your Shopify account. Within the tags field, you can enter different tags or descriptors. You can learn more about tags within our blog post linked below. When you are done with your blog post, select Save on the upper right-hand corner. The post will still be hidden, but this way you can preview how it will look. To do this, click on the Preview option, and your post will open in a new window. If you're happy with your blog post, go back to the editing page, and within the visibility section, we can schedule or publish the new blog post. If the post will be published immediately, select Visible and select Save. To schedule your blog post instead, select Set Visibility Dates, and then select a date and time. Click Save. Your post will then appear on your blog on the scheduled dates. Click on the back arrow, and here you will see your published and scheduled blog posts. It's that easy. Thanks for watching our Shopify how-to video. For more tutorials and resources, visit the Jelly Design Studio blog.